What's up everybody, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's video guys, I will teach you the choreography that we made last time. So the title is Always by, I think this is Forrest. Okay, so let's start. Slowly, okay? Let's block like 2/8, 2/8, okay? So it goes like this, 7 and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna kick your right, 5, 6. Alright. One more time. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. One last time. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 5. Open, then the next one is down. 7 and 8. So make sure you cross 7 and 8. Then neck. 1, 2. Side. 3. Up on 4. 5 and head 6. Give 7. Down on 8. Okay? It's clear? One more time. 5, 6, 7, back. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down. 7, 8. No, 7, 7, up, 8. 1, 2, side, 3, 4, 5. So this one is roll. 5 and a 6, give. 7, 8. One last time. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, I don't know, kick side down. 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next, 7, 8, slide. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Down on 5, 6, and then you 7, 8, just contract. 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8, side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Look on 4. One more time. 7 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chest. Your chest. 6, 7, and 8. From the top to here. And strike. It's simple. I think it's 4/8, right? Yeah, 4/8. Let's try 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling 6. Give 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shut up. 7, 8, 1, 2, look back, center, chest, and 7, 8. Next. Clear? Clear? So from here, 7, 8. So back, 1, shoulder, 1 and 2. So point 2 in, 3, the 4. Down, ball change, 5. Head on 6. Step back 7, chest pop, and 8. One more time. So 7, and then 1 and 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue because we don't have time. Then isolation after 7, 8, go 1, center, 2. So your knee is in, 2, and 3. The 4. So when you do this, look to your right. And 4. Slide to the front. 5, 6, turn around. 7, open on 8. Almost. So from here. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. Alright? And then 1, 2, and then 3, the 4, next 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's finish it. 7, 8. Next, shoulder 1 and 2. Put your hand here. 7 and then 1 and 2. Kick right, 3, down. 4. Close on 5, then 6. Grab. 7 and 8. One more time. So jump. 8. Right, left, head. 3, cross 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Last step. Front 1, 2 and 3, down 4. Side 5, 6, 7, 8, then ad-lib. And that's it. One more time for this one. Jump. 8. 1 and 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Front 1, 2, left, right, chest, head. 5, 6, 7, and then ad-lib. Very good. Let's try everything from the beginning. Go 5, 6. So 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, 3, hop. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest away. Go. 1 and 2 in. 5 head and 8 side in and jump cha side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and head. 3, 4, 5 and 7. Last 1, 2, cross 3 and head. Boom. 7. Good job. Let's try music.
Yeah.